the trampoline, not a bed to take a nap.
You can't jump.
You can't. Why not? What? What? You're too cute. Are you all done?
No.
Why don't you just sit and enjoy everybody else jumping?
Yeah?
Yeah?
You get shoes again. Oh, get them. You want to get this?
What jokes do you have?
I have a chicken joke and I have a ring.
Okay.
And I can do this.
Oh my goodness. Okay, climb up there. Come on, let's see. Keep going. Keep going. All right, Mommy's gonna meet you on the side. Ready? Caspian, come on.
Oh no, it's coming.
It's okay, go.
Uh-oh, a doggy.
Lottie, come here. Come here. Woohoo. Oh, she got you.
Hey.
That's somebody else. No, there's he is.
Hey.
Here, Caspian.
Hey.
Well, I sure you know the behind her. Say hi.
I turned around and you had a camera.
No, for now.
I told him, I sure you know back there. How'd you get the popsicle? How'd you get to the popsicle? Right, exactly.
There's another YouTuber that we follow, and she asked him what to get, and he told her which one.
Were you guys in here taking pictures without me?
Yeah, I think that's what a lot of them use.
Yeah.
Oh no. I'm on
Me and Eric
FaceTime
did.
back over.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I took pictures with the kids, yeah. See? Look at Eric's smile. See his smile.
Boys, welcome to Myrtle Beach.
I go this way, right?
Left, yep.
Fuck, there it is, Bryce.
Holy crap, we're right on it.
I told you.
I didn't know we were that
Mama
close.
doesn't let down, okay? Okay, so it's a little dark in here. It is 8 a.m. I've been trying to get everyone up and ready since 6, so that's a plus.
Yeah.
We are going on a hike around our campground today. So our campground has 7 miles of hiking trails up in the mountains, and we are going to explore them today on my day off.
Okay, Mommy.
Caspian is very excited.
I'm gonna take a bunch of pictures. There's water. Yeah.
That was really pretty, isn't it, Bubby?
What, Bryce?
You want to hold it, not just stuff on the ground. You want different stuff to try.
Hey.
Here, put one of
It's
those in there
gonna
for
be a little
Caspian.
wet. I mean, that's the stuff I want you to collect.
We can dry them out too. Hello everybody, this is Makari.
Look, I see.
This is Bryce's friend.
There.
And you probably saw on our Facebook, but just in case you didn't,
So many.
cool story is before we went full time, we stopped in Tennessee. We were on that trip, our very first YouTube episode. But we stopped over in Tennessee for the night, one night. And Bryce and Makari met up. They found each other at the campground, they played all day, and they had a blast. And then that was last October. Fast forward to the next September, well, August, because we met again in August, but fast forward to August, we get to the campground, and Bryce goes out to meet people, and he comes back, and he's like, I already made a friend. Mike's like, what are you talking about? And this little girl runs up, and she goes, do you remember me? And it was Makari from Tennessee. So that's the awesome thing about full time, is you never know who you're gonna run back into. So now we've been down to this campground twice since then, and we're coming back one more time before we leave North Carolina.
Go this way, Mommy.
So they've been having a blast. Go which way, Bubby? Which way, Bubby?
This way.
This way? Okay, that way's left.
This way's left.
That way's left, yep.
Let's go.
Let's go. We'll meet up with you. Yep, you're good. So the old saying is, leave the three, leave it be.
Before you touch it, then.
That's what they're doing.
Yeah.
Bryce, did you get one of these? Look at this different one. Get one of these, okay.
The green stuff on the wall.
Here, honey.
Huh?
Take that to Mom. Okay.
What'd you say, Makari? I'm sorry.
The moss
Mhm.
sometimes point north.
Yep. Oh, it always grows on the one side.
Yeah. Mommy,
You can collect the moss too,
is this?
because we can soak it overnight.
Is that one good?
Mm-hmm.
A predator.
This is one up in the room.
Yep.
Mommy.
Yep.
Predator.
Lottie's doing really good. Good job, Lottie.
Job.
Oh, yeah.
I don't think this would be here.
Oh, look at this mushroom. That's
Is it
cool.
safe to touch?
No, don't touch that one.
Poisonous. I know, I see it, baby. I know. I see the mushroom, but some of them are poisonous. No, Lottie.
Mom, are these good?
Where- The what?
The fairy circle. Do not go in it.
Oh, there's a fairy circle over here. Oh, there is. Look at all these mushrooms. And Caspian, Bryce, and Makari are taking a break for a second. This trail has been nothing but uphill. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, it's not even that hot and we are sweating to death. Like, it's just really strenuous. So, I don't know if you can see, but that over there goes straight down. We came up that. We still have this one to go up. And it's hard to see, but Mike's all the way at the top there, because he's dead determined that we're taking too long. So, but he also is not packing a 40-pound child on his back.
So, let's see. You aren't carrying a 90-pound child on your back, right?
Say hi. There it goes. Okay.
Hi. Make sure you go check out my YouTube channel, Fishy Fish Stick Crew.
Fishy Fish Stick Crew. She does, what do you do, Minecraft and Fortnite?
Yeah.
All right.
Wait, subscribe to her channel and like her video.
Whoop, whoop. We're still, what, Bryce?
I think I see it.
You see your dad?
Nope, I think I made the lookout point.
Let's start. So, Mike was a little antsy, so we just told him to go ahead of us because it's taking us a little longer.
We did.
And the kids are getting a little wore out. But it is so steep. Like, I don't know.
Where did they one everywhere?
It is steep.
See.
Are we doing this? Are we going to the top?
Yeah.
Yeah? All the way?
Yeah.
All the way. Can you do it?
Yeah.
All the way. All the way.
All the way.
Here we go.
All the way.
Hike review under the rock. This is pretty cool.
Yeah.
Okay. Hike review. Who wants to go first?
Me.
All right, Bryce, what do you think of the hike so far?
Really good, and I'm hoping we can do this again.
Okay, so 1, you definitely want to do it again, right?
Yeah.
2, how hard do you think it is for somebody that doesn't normally hike? From 1 being the lowest, 10 to the hardest.
Like a 10.
A 10? Is it pretty hard?
Yeah.
Okay, what was your favorite part so far?
Probably just collecting stuff and looking at all the plans.
All right, would you do it again?
Yes.
Scale of 1 to 10, how hard was it?
9.
Okay, and what was your favorite part?
Probably getting up here.
Knowing that you did it, right? All right, Caspian?
Wow, look at that.
Caspian, would you hike it again?
Yeah.
Can you tell everybody that you were acting like you were out of breath even though you were on mommy's back the whole time?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's smiling.
Okay, what's your favorite part?
Knocking over the rocks. Knocking over the rocks?
Knocking over the rocks? All right, that sounds like a blast. Look at your dad, that's where we're going next.
Dad, look at that stick and some rocks on the top.
Yep, that's where we're going next. It's out there. You want
That
to?
thing right there.
Yeah. I'm sure you have.
Lottie, stop
Lottie.
it. Well, I went over there and slid down.
Macari's got your phone.
Hey, Macari,
There you
give me my
Okay.
phone back.
Get down, get down.
Okay.
Okay. And then what we did, we grabbed a rock in the tree and hugged that area to get over here.
Come on.
Yeah, we had to go
Stay
right there.
here.
Yeah.
Get back, Bryce.
Take the can.
Okay, yeah. All right.
Stay there. Don't move till Mama gets down, okay? Sit.
Stay down. Sit.
Roll over.
Stay
How
right.
sturdy is that log?
Oh, it's sturdy as can be. I mean, it ain't going nowhere. That thing's just.
I could
That
stand
tree.
on that for days.
I don't know where the rest. Put him up on top of that.
And we're still rolling.
Turn around, look at Daddy. He's gonna take your picture.
This is
Ready?
just
One,
awesome.
two, stay right there, Mommy. Your face is out of it, so you're good. One. You need to go. Oh, you want your face in it?
No, I don't.
Okay, right there. That's good. Okay. Cheese. All right, good job.
And
buddy.
there's
Hey, you
Mommy,
take it over
there's Caspian, there's my dad.
Daddy.
No, don't.
And
You don't-
Macaulay's
why is
way over there.
Why is he jumping? Macari's over there using your phone to read.
Breeze is.
May not be anything, but I think it's cool. Look, it's pink on the back.
Really?
Yeah, look. Isn't that cool?
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, I
Look,
thought that was
it's
neat.
back.
That may not be anything. Look at Lottie. She's tired. Look at the fog rolling. See what I mean? You get to stay. I mean,
Makari, you want to come over? I'll help you. Are you sure?
why didn't you bring sandwiches? We could have just had
Yeah, we
lunch
could have
right
made
here.
sandwiches. Makari, what were you thinking?
Hey, she was in a hurry.
We're just teasing you, Makari. Okay,
I don't want. Oh, Charlie.
so
Bryce, don't
here we
go any farther
are.
That way.
on the rock.
That's straight down. That's
It is
probably-
straight down.
That's probably about
Ooh,
1,000 feet or more
bird.
down there.
You think 1,000 feet?
Mommy,
Oh,
more
yeah,
rocks
easily.
over
Oh,
there.
yeah, easily. Look how high you are. I mean, you're above the mountain. Yeah.
All right, so I took
Does
the
it
kids.
say on the map how far it is up there?
No, it doesn't say. Okay, so I took on the kids what they thought about the hike. What do you think?
I loved it.
Okay,
I think it's
I got 3 questions. Hold on, I got 3
Okay.
questions. 1, would you do it again?
no doubt.
2, on a scale of 1 out of 10.
All right.
All right,
1,
make the climb and call it its name. Ready?
1,
2,
3. Call out its name.
Call it its name.
Call out its name, everyone! Jumanji!
Jumanji! 3. Jumanji! He's so big. He's so big.
We definitely made the climb to get up here, and it looks like we are in Jumanji.
Okay, he wants to go back under the rock.
Okay, I know, I'm coming. I would like to add to our hike that we hiked up for almost an hour to get signal. Everyone is updating their phones. That's what we're doing because for some reason when we're in the campground, we get no signal. But we hike up into the mountain and we have signal. So everyone's downloading their videos. So when we get back, we have stuff to watch because we can't watch anything because we can't stream
There is
anything.
no. I will.
Like, where's Gracie when you need him?
There's
What?
no
No
cell
Wi-Fi?
phone.
No
No.
Wi-Fi.
No Wi-Fi, but look, the fog's
There's
starting to go
no-
so you can finally see.
Oh,
the
look! He
butterfly!
came back! Look at it!
Beautiful.
He came
Oh my
back.
gosh, it's such a photo bomb. Look at that ham.
He followed us. I saw
Yeah.
him yesterday.
You did?
Yeah, I saw that exact same one.
Dang, okay.
But there's no of those cell phone things
Oh,
out
wow.
here. But we get
Honey, look the light. Look.
Oh! Can I give them a better view?
Yep. Okay. There you go. This is kid YouTube now. They're taking over.
I think that's a better. So we are up here in the mountains. Mountains? Yeah. It's Green Hills. It's a mountain. Whatever. And there's his dad.
Green Mountain.
Yeah.
There's Bryce.
Green Mountain. Oh, hello.
This is the song we're playing.
Hey, no copyright.
Whatever that means.
Is where we are now. Apparently I found that. There's our cave. That we just in.
Yeah, I don't want to go back up there for a little bit.
Oh, hold on. We need video of the thirsty puppy.
My turn.
We need video.
Spill it.
She's very
Boy,
thirsty.
don't get the bench wet.
She's thirsty, man.
She didn't stop one time. She was rolling.
All right. Thirsty puppy, YouTube.
The GoPro will
My
even
turn.
see it.
Mommy, she's going in. My turn.
No.
No,
No.
my turn.
This is Kid YouTube
My
now.
turn.
It's
My
Fishy
turn.
Fish Stick Crew taking over.
No,
Yes, it's not down the rabbit hole anymore. It's Fishy
right.
Fish Stick Crew.
down the rabbit hole.
It's Fishy Fish Stick Crew now.
I got the camera. No.
It's Fishy Fish Stick Crew now.
What?
There's a lady down there. Yeah. What are you doing?
Okay, so we sent the kids on ahead because we didn't think about it. Makari has to go to the bathroom. And she's not used to hiking, so she's not used to going to the bathroom outside. So, and we are 45 minutes out, and I feel really terrible because, and she didn't go before we left. I figured she would have went before we left, and she didn't, so I feel really, really bad. So we're gonna hurry and hike down. So we've now officially lost Mike. He took a different way, even though we told him not to. We're not going back for him. He'll figure it out. We're not going back. Because some of us still have to pee. Somebody needs a diaper change. And we're almost out. Take a look. We did it.
I practically had to pee in the wild.
Yep, and Makari practically had to pee in the wild. And there's where we're at so far. Oh, it feels way more than 2 miles. But I think it was because it was so steep. I mean, this one, we hike a lot. And this one definitely felt more like a normal 5-mile trail than a 2 because it was just so strenuous. It was straight up the whole way. Yeah, and then coming down, it was straight down. And like there was nowhere to grab footing. It probably almost would have been better to turn around and go down it like a rock climb. But try doing that with 3 kids, okay? So we're gonna hope Mike surfaces eventually. We'll keep you updated. And so far, hey, you guys, we did it. Okay, we gotta get Makari back because Makari probably needs a nap, another snack, and school. Yeah.
My mom probably forgot it.
Okay, well, I do that too, so I can't even judge. I do that all the time. I'm like, crap, what time is it?